Desktop automatic round bottle sticker labeling machine. Check out our desktop automatic round bottle sticker labeling machine. Your ultimate solution for efficient, precise labeling. Designed for small to medium batches, it handles round bottles of various sizes with ease, automating the labeling process to save time and reduce human error. Boasting fast application speed, consistent label alignment, and a compact, space-saving design. It is perfect for workshops, small factories, and startups. User-friendly operation and reliable performance make it a must-have tool to boost productivity and elevate your product packaging quality effortlessly.
HENGYUAN focus on efficient packaging machines.